Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Beyond Words. I'm John, and today we are going to talk about confidence.
Oh my gosh, John, you sound like a very slow, very polite computer. I'm Carol. Did you hear how John just spoke? Every word was a perfect island, but he had zero flow.
Exactly. Today we are tackling the biggest barrier to fluency, confidence. Many students think they need to know 10,000 words to be confident. We're here to tell you that you are wrong.
You don't need more words, you need more flow. At Learn English Beyond Words, we see English as a tool for connection. If you speak word by word, people won't connect with your ideas. They will only connect with your hesitation.
Today, we are going to show you how to fake it until you make it. We'll look at the rhythm of flow, how to stop saying sorry for your English, and the simple grammar swaps that make you sound like a leader. Stick around because later in the video, I'm going to share the power of the pause. It is the secret weapon of the world's best speakers, and it's actually easier than talking.
And I'll be explaining the rhythm connection. It's a tiny change in how you link your words that will immediately stop people from interrupting you when you speak.
We have a lot of powerful tips to get through. If you want to support the channel and help us reach more learners, please give this video a like right now.
It really helps the YouTube algorithm find other smart friends like you. And if you haven't joined the family yet, click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon.
We upload new videos every week to help you move from surviving in English to thriving in English. Now let's get into our first confidence secret. Okay, Carol, let's talk about that robot voice from the beginning. Many students learn English like a math equation. They learn, I am a student.
Right, that's because textbooks teach you perfect grammar-correct words, but real life is messy. Native speakers don't separate their words, they smush them together.
I'm a student. The I and the am merge to become I'm, and it flows right into A.
For a native speaker, the rhythm of flow signals that you are sure of yourself. When you separate every word, you sound like you are rehearsing or that you are confused.
Let's practice the difference. Unconfident. I do not like this. Confident. I don't like this.
Hear the difference? When your words connect, it sounds like a confident thought. When they're separate, it sounds like a list of grammar. This is the key that even AI can do.
Carol, this is my biggest pet peeve as a teacher. A student walks into a room and the first thing they say is, "Sorry, my English is bad."
It's a tragedy, John. When you say that, you are telling the other person, don't listen to me, I'm not good at this.
You are setting yourself up to fail. Instead of apologizing for what you don't know, focus on what you do know.
If you really feel like you are struggling, don't say sorry for my bad English. Instead, say thanks for your patience or I'm still practicing my English.
Thanks for your patience is a power move. It turns your weakness into a compliment on the other person. You're calling them a patient, kind person. They will love that. We all have moments when our brain freezes. We can't find the word. Beginners usually say or eh.
Those sounds are noise, they don't help. If you want to sound like a smart friend, you need to use meaningful fillers.
These are words that buy you time to think but still sound professional. Well, actually, let me think. That's a great question.
That's a great question is my favorite. While you are saying that sentence, your brain has 3 extra seconds to find the answer.
And it makes you look like you're thinking deeply, not like you're lost. It's all about the frame. Let's talk about grammar, but the simple kind. Confident speakers use strong patterns.
A weak pattern uses words like I think, maybe, or I guess. Weak, I think the meeting is at 5.
Confident removes the doubt. The meeting is at 5.
If you aren't 100% sure, you can still be confident. Use I believe or as far as I know.
As far as I know is a B1 level phrase that sounds very professional. It says, based on my information, this is the truth. It's much stronger than I think. All right, everyone, now we are going to do a real-life simulation.
Carol is going to be a person at a job interview or a new project meeting.
John is going to be using textbook English, weak verbs and bad fillers.
He's going to separate every word.
Version 2, John is going to use the rhythm of flow, strong verbs, and meaningful fillers. His words will connect.
Watch how the energy of the room changes. Same English level, but totally different results. Let's start with the hesitant version. So, John, tell me about your experience with this type of work.
Oh, sorry, my English is not very good. I think I worked on a project like this last year. Maybe? I guess I am good at, computers.
So, John, tell me about your experience with this type of work.
Well, that's a great question. Actually, I worked on a similar project last year. I believe my skills with computers will be very helpful for the team.
Impressive. And can you start on Monday?
Yes, I can. I'm looking forward to it. Wow, even I liked myself more in version 2.
Did you see that? In version 1, John spoke very slowly, separating every word. It made him sound like a student taking a test.
But in version 2, my words connected smoothly. I didn't say, I believe my. I said, I believe my.
This is the key for an AI voice too. You just have to set your speech pattern to be continuous. Use your contractions like I'm and don't.
This is the secret, pies. You don't need a bigger vocabulary to do version 2. You just need to stop separating your words. Okay, I promised the power of the pause. This is hard for students because they're afraid if they stop talking, the other person will think they have forgotten English.
It's actually the opposite. If you speak and then you pause for 2 seconds before your next point, you look like a philosopher.
It's true. A pause shows that you are in control of the conversation. You aren't rushing. If you forget a word, don't say or eh. Just stop, look the person in the eye, think, then continue. That silence is much more powerful than a nervous sound. Carol, does our body affect how we sound?
100%. If you are looking at your feet, your voice goes into your chest. It sounds muffled and weak.
If you want to sound confident, you have to open your chest and lift your chin.
Even if you're on a phone call, if you stand up while you speak English, your voice becomes more resonant. You sound like you have more air because you do.
Try it. Next time you have to speak English, stand up. You will feel the confidence boost immediately. There's a psychological term here, Carol, the self-fulfilling prophecy.
Oh, I love this. It means if you tell yourself, I am going to fail, your brain will act in a way that makes you fail.
But if you tell yourself, I have enough English to handle this, your brain stays calm. Your heart rate slows down. You can actually remember the words you've studied.
This is why we say English is a life tool. It's not just about the words, it's about the mindset. Before we go, let's give everyone a checklist for their next conversation.
Contractions are your friends. I'm, don't, can't. They link your words.
Replace sorry with thanks for your patience.
Use actually or well instead of
Embrace the pause. Don't be afraid of silence.
If you do these 4 things, people will treat you differently. They will listen to you more carefully, and you will start to feel as confident as you sound. I feel like a superhero now. I'm ready to give a speech.
You've always been a superhero, John. You just needed to believe it.
Remember, guys, confidence is a habit. You practice it just like you practice verbs.
Don't wait until your English is perfect to be confident. Be confident now with the English you have.
We are so proud of you for showing up and working on yourself.
Stay bold, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you soon for more Learn English Beyond Words.
Bye, everyone. Speak loud and speak proud.
See ya!